What do Args and Kwargs mean? What exactly do Args and Kwargs mean? According to the Python documentation, from what it seems, it passes in a tuple of arguments. This prints out. How do you effectively use them?
Putting args and/or kwargs as the last items in your function definitions argument list allows that function to accept an arbitrary number of arguments and/or keyword arguments. For example, if you wanted to write a function that returned the sum of all its arguments, no matter how many you supply, you could write it like this. It's probably more commonly used in object-oriented programming, when you're overriding a function and want to call the original function with whatever arguments the user passes in. You don't actually have to call them args and kwargs, that's just a convention. It's the end that do the magic. The official Python documentation has a more in-depth look.
Also, we use them for managing inheritance. This way sub doesn't really know, or care, what the superclass initialization is. Should you realize that you need to change the superclass, you can fix things without having to sweat the details in each subclass.
Notice the cool thing in s.lot's comment, you can also call functions with mylist and midic to unpack positional and keyword arguments. We'll print 0123.
Another good use for args and kwargs, you can define generic catch-all functions, which is great for decorators where you return such a wrapper instead of the original function. An example with a trivial caching decorator.
Just to clarify how to unpack the arguments, and take care of missing arguments, etc.
If you wanted to board the shell, please consider them paying.